नमस्कार। आज हमारे साथ मिस्टर विनय त्रिवेदी हैं, CHRO टोन टाइप। Mr. Vinay, I welcome you to the Young Minds Leaders Talk.
Thank you.
So,
It's 13
my
hours.
question to you is, this pandemic has given us a lot of reasons to think that any situation can come at any point of life. And for this pandemic situation, we were not prepared. So how do you deal with any certainties, any point of time come to us? I would like you to give us some insights on this.
Sure. First of all, thank you for having me back on one of your sessions. I really appreciate it. There was a great session we did a couple of days back on how to deal with life in quarantine, and I think uncertainty is something that is very relevant for us to understand and address. If you ask me, while everybody knows life is uncertain, everybody knows that you can keep planning for eternity, but life will have different plans. Now, this is one scenario where life has shown to everybody at one shot that you will have, you will have to face uncertainty. Normally what happens is I'm facing some amount of uncertainty, but two other people are still normal. They're going through their planned route. Five people are just achieving their targets. So it doesn't really hit everybody, as a group. In my mind, uncertainty can be dealt with only in two ways. One is to crib about it and feel pathetic about it, and keep crying about how uncertain life is, and then accept it. The other, positively tell yourself that it is uncertainty and you have to take every day as it comes. So if it means that you have to take every day as it comes, then you will plan accordingly. Now, the difference in the two approaches is, first one, you will be pushed into accepting uncertainty, but the second one, you will wholeheartedly accept it. Now, when you wholeheartedly accept it, your approach is very positive. When you are pushed, your approach is very negative. Now, it's your choice if you want to accept it positively or negatively. The fact is, uncertainty is certain, and there is no, escaping the fact that you will have to take uncertainty head on. Take it every day as it comes. While you may have your short-term, medium-term, long-term goals, you will also have to have uncertainty along with these goals, because that will only help you keep changing your course and keep changing your track as you move. If you're positive, if you look at it saying that now let's look at this kind of a scenario, it'll only help you. That's my 2 cents on how you should deal when you have to face uncertain scenario or situation.
I think very rightly said, because it is the approach and it is the mindset. You very rightly pointed out that either we can crib or we can take it positively and deal with the situation. It will be very easy for us to then handle the things, because we don't have a control on the coming situations, what coming our way. But if we deal with it positively, then we can come up with a lot of solutions. We can come up with a lot of way outs to cope up with the situation.
Yeah,
so I totally agree with you.
That's right. Also, what happens is, human mind is not very comfortable with change. Any change, even if there is a change of vehicle, even if there is a change of bed that you sleep on, you take a while to get used to it. This is a very large thing that has hit us. So I can only imagine that people may be very, very anxious. People may be very, very scared because they just don't know what's going to happen. But when you start taking each day as it comes, and when you start looking at it positively, it only gives you strength. It doesn't give you solutions, because solutions nobody knows, but it gives you strength on how you can face this head on and how you can sort of move ahead. So face these things with a smile, and I'm sure all of us will come out victorious.
Absolutely right. So I thank you so much, Vinay, for this wonderful insight. And as I know that people love to listen you because your thought process is so positive and so encouraging. So I think this is what people are exactly looking at. And a lot of people will get motivated, and they may come up with some, options what they can think about their life. So thank you so much for coming live on Young Minds Talk Show. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.